Hello everyone. So this is a small new series that I'm going to start where I'll be sharing my ideas or experiments or challenges that I'm undertaking or the journey overall. So the first one comes with goals, like we all have goals and we tend to execute on them. But if you see properly, goals without a deadline are at the end of the day meaningless. That don't make any sense. So I learned that a very hard way in last few months, that you need to have a deadline if you're working on some sort of goal or an idea. Definitely execution is important, but a deadline is also much more important, or else it becomes a, you live in a fantasy world and you just keep on working on that, and it's a vicious cycle at the end of the day. So I thought, let me just take a challenge on this. Like couple of days back I had my birthday, and you guys sent me a ton of wishes. Thank you so much for that. So on the this just couple of days back, I thought, when's my next birthday going to come, and I just googled it out, and I was just going through my calendar, and the number seems pretty cool, so next birthday falls on 22/02/2022. So it's a palindrome number. Like if you read it from the start to end, it's the same, and if you read it from end to start, it's pretty much the same. So in my mind I was like, how cool that number is. So I thought, let me take a 52-week challenge. Well, I'll be sharing my I'll be documenting my each week, and I'll be grading myself from a score of 1 to 5 on each week, and I'll be sharing this in the form of an Excel sheet which will be available in public for everyone. And this is pretty much the first idea, and I don't think so I can say this as an idea. Let's keep it as a 52 weeks challenge for next birthday, and already the number seems very cool. So I want to add an extra layer to it. Like, what if I achieve something in this next coming year, like somehow some magic happens and I achieve something in this next 1 year. So how cool it be. So there is 99.9% chances that everything might fail or everything might go wrong, or second video might never come again. But for that 0.1%, I want to give it a shot of, let's make that day a very great. It's already cool. How cool, that number, you already it's pretty much cool. So I want to make that more awesome. But underlying concept is goals need to have a deadline. So current idea that I'm working on, I have to take some concrete decisions on my next birthday, that if it's working or if it's not working, or need to take some decisions. So a second video will also be coming, a part 2 of this on the next birthday. It will be on the that palindrome day. So pretty much trying to make sure I have a deadline. I'm sharing with this you, so that it's like an accountability for me, sort of an peer pressure so that I tend to perform better and try to achieve that. So the goal is to have a deadline and work on the idea. So this is pretty much the first challenge that I'm taking myself, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling, and YOLO.